the other cadaver. If you just point to it posterior, you should find it. It's quite huge. I don't know why it's not there on this cadaver. Maybe the fat tissue is not yet dissected. Nervus obturatorius.
We have it
Medial
medial
to it.
to the muscle.
Yes,
So it's
and then when
this
you
one.
yes, exactly. And the ilioepigastricus starts from there. Ilioepigastricus and ilioinguinalis. Okay. Yes.
They are going between two muscles, each of them, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but yeah, that's theory. Just when you
Just
find,
theory.
yeah, that's theory.
Okay, but the first one is going through the first two muscles, so it's transversus and internus.
No, external say that.
You said the first two muscles, and then you mentioned the second and third,
Ah, yeah,
right?
of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
So show me nervus phrenicus, sinister, and dexter.
This one.
Okay. The branches of the aorta, as simple as it sounds, but it is a question. In order, obviously.
Which one?
Starting from above.
Right to left, always. That's how it is. Right to left. So
Right,
truncus,
truncus,
brachiocephalicus,
brachiocephalic.
palatus sinistra,
Yeah.
and subclavia sinistra. Okay, trigonum of Bogdalek.
Trigonum of
Bogdalek. It's really important. Trigonum of Bogdalek is actually in the diaphragm. It's an area where there is no muscle fibers. So if there is no muscle fibers, the area is weak. And if an area is weak, that is, hernias, basically.
It's between
So-
pars costalis and
I'll get to where it is in a minute, but I just wanted to understand. So when anybody says there is a diaphragm hernia, that is in trigonum of Bogdalek, most likely, if not obviously, because there's no muscular tissue. So it's easy to be, herniated. And that area is bordered by the base of the triangle is Jesus learned it in theory. The base is at the 12th rib, base at the 12th rib, and it goes up to the border between the muscles of pars costalis and pars lumbalis. It's just blank theory. Learn it, but I want you to understand what is it, which is the diaphragm hernia that goes through it. Can you show it? No. Okay, nervus phrenicus dexter is important to know that it was always inserted approximately at the level of hiatus vena cava, of the hiatus of the vena cava. This is important information. Nervus laryngeus, it's almost impossible to find it. You just need to know the trajectory of both. So on the right side, it is under atera subclavia. On the left side, it is under the aortic arch. These, I'm just giving you questions here for the exam, okay? Just training you for the exam.
Can we try to find it?
Go ahead. Good luck.
Nervus vagus,
No.
right?
Yes.
So we can find nervus
You can
vagus.
exactly and point
So
to a
like
branch
this,
from
right?
it in that
this
area.
No. Is this one nervus vagus?
Yes. Why not?
Just brown.
Should be no. It's just vagus should be attached to. Where's the aortic arch? This one's so dry. Should be. Yeah. If this is the phrenic, so this is the vagus, and the branch should come from here,
Yes.
like that. And on the other side,
Under arteria subclavia.
yeah, you don't even have vagus on this side. So, good luck with this guy.
Okay.
Truncus sympathicus, we discussed it, I think, right? Nervus splanchnicus major, minimus.
Can you show where to find it?
Sure. I want. Okay. Splanchnicus. This is phrenicus, obviously, because it's attached to the diaphragm, and the phrenic sinister is more anteriorly attached to the regarding to the
I
phrenic, the
think
right
that
one.
here.
Yeah, I was just
no.
discussing the phrenic. So okay, it's not dissected the fascia here,
But I think there is.
yeah. So
because
you
we-
can also count them, for example. So you know that splanchnicus major starts at the level of Th6. So you're like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So approximately at this level, we're gonna have nervus splanchnicus major like this, and then you have minor
From 9 to
from 10 and 11
10.
basically, and which is a little deeper, and then minimus you never see it. It's at 12. What's important about it to know what does it supply,
Is it
what does it
here?
innervate? Let me see. Let me see. Actually, could be. Yes, that should be splanchnicus. Yes, good. This is splanchnicus major, because this is truncus sympathicus. It's important to differentiate between them. The truncus sympathicus is just a straight line. It doesn't go more medial or more lateral. It just gives branches. Nervus splanchnicus major is this one. If this is truncus sympathicus, you see a branch from it, this one. So this is nervus splanchnicus major. The second branch, which I also can see, think here. There's another one here at this level, which is the minor. And then you have the minimus. Okay, so this is nervus placonicus major. Nervus placonicus major, what does it innervate? Again, supramesocholic area, liver, gallbladder, stomach, spleen. Minor, the intestines, small and large.